Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for July 2014. Virgos, we begin this month with 3 planets that are going to be affecting you largely. We have a new moon in Cancer that begins right at the beginning of the month. Mid-month we have Jupiter that is entering Leo, and we wrap up the month with Saturn that is going direct in Scorpio. Virgos, we begin this month with a focus on a part of your chart that has to do with group activation. It has to do with networking and earned income from business. You will be reaching out to others in both social and professional context. There will be a heightened awareness of your position in life in this context rather than a self-centered focus. There also will be a need to socialize a lot. A lot of you will be making an effort to get out of your house and meet as many people as possible. Mid-month around the 17th, we have Jupiter that is entering Leo, and that's in a part of your chart that has to do with compassion. It has to do with empathetic and sensitive time. It's a cycle wherein that you will be letting go of self-destructive patterns. You will be more in a service mode. However, a lot of you would be wanting to stay all by yourself. You would not be wanting too much of a social interactions. This begins around 17th of July. So all the networking, all the social interactions that need to be done, try and do it between 1st and the 17th of July. They will benefit you greatly. This is also a time where a lot of you will be contributing to charities. You will be connecting yourself with NGOs. It speaks about working behind the scenes and serving others selflessly without any expectations. Meditation and retreats are also indicated. They will benefit you greatly. For those of you who have not as yet tried your hand at yoga or any form of meditation, do try it. It will be great for you and it will work wonders on your expansion of Jupiter in this part of your chart. Again, that has to do with hospitals, it has to do with prisons, it has to do with research. It speaks about being in a position wherein that yourself or what is it that is important to you takes a back seat. You will, or a lot of you are going to be going forward or making an effort to reach out to the less fortunate, or finally, I think wherein some of you have thought of being associated with a cause that is very dear to you, you will be going out and you will be implementing. On the 20th July, we have Saturn that goes direct in Scorpio, and this is highlighting a part of your chart that again speaks about networking. It speaks about communicating, trying to get in touch with people from across countries. And Saturn is going to be focusing, since in the beginning you had Cancer that gave you the new moon in Cancer, which gave you an opportunity to expand and to network as much as you could. But towards the end, and you have had this Saturn aspect since about beginning of 2013, and it carries on being there till about December 23rd. And Saturn again is trying to teach you as to what is it and how it is that you deal with others. What are the communication methods and how effective are you while networking and dealing with others. There could be some amount of slowness that you could find as far as interactions and communication is concerned, specifically for those of you who are in the education field and those of you who are in the media. You could feel quite blocked, or you could find yourself maybe lacking in a spark or a spunk. This aspect has been happening since about a year and a half, and a lot of you could be finding yourself making a lot of effort to sort of pick yourself up and have any kind of an interest as far as your projects are concerned, and projects especially which require a lot of research and a lot of communication that is there. For some of you who have been waiting for letters which specifically have to deal with government or have to do with larger organizations, there could be a lot of red tape that you could encounter, and there could be a sense of a lot of frustration which the delays will cause. However, this is pretty much a fag end of the transit that is there, and hence when Saturn is going direct into Scorpio, it's more as a reminder. Saturn is asking you to again have a look at how it is that your relationship is there with your siblings, how it is there with acquaintances. It could be so that you may feel for some of you that your siblings are causing or are behaving as roadblocks, maybe as much as support that you would like at home, you may not have got that support, Virgos. And this could have been quite a sore point, wherein that you could feel that if an ex financial, maybe some resource or support could have come through a sibling or through an extended family member, has not been there since a while. Now, towards the end of the transit, you will also realize as to what it is that you can depend on and what it is that you need to be letting go of, and you'll ideally have learned a greater depth of understanding, which is focused on communication, which is focused on networking, and you'll have an understanding as to how it is that people really behave, or even on friends or on acquaintances and family members that you have been depending for the longest of time. I think these 2.5 years would have been a great learning for you, Virgos, as to whom to depend on and whom not to. And by the end of it, I think you can be a far more effective and a far more secure person finally when the Saturn transit moves out of your chart. So use the first 2 weeks, Virgos, to communicate, to socialize as much as you can. And for those of you wherein there's important paperwork that needs to get done, ensure that it gets done right in upfront, because towards the rest of the month, post beginning 17th, you have the chart which is really more of the compassion and behind the scenes that is getting activated. And then of course you have Saturn that has been there in your networking and your long distance travel. Overall, a month of lot of work, Virgos, but definitely it is the transits are going to leave you wiser. Have a great month. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again next month. Thank you so much for watching.